So we were discussing about the Indian Constitution. There are different types of articles are there. Till now we completed Article 29. So what is the Article 30? If the person belongs to SC/ST, then they set up own institutes and maintain. And any person belonging to the SC/ST category, a scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, then they set up a own institute and maintain based on their based on their economical background, so they can build the own institution and maintain it, either scheduled caste or scheduled tribes. For doing this, they permission granted by law. For doing such type of works, a permission given by the law, that is the Indian Constitution law. Giving the law, that is the Indian Constitution law. That is the main advantage what is there in the Article 30. Article 32. If a person rights to treated wrongly, then they can withstand the rights with the help of Supreme Court. So Supreme Court is the highest jurisdiction court in India. Supreme Court is the highest jurisdiction court in India. So they will solve the problem according to their problems. Likewise, if a person right to treated wrongly, any person rights to treated wrongly, then they can withstand the right with the help of Supreme Court. The right with the help of Supreme Court. That is the main agenda what is there in the right with the help of the Supreme Court. Article 36 to 51. So we can call it as a principles. So principles are nothing but the what are the rules and regulations are there, what are the conditions are there, we can call it as the principles. Principal is nothing but the employer of the organization, head of the department of organization. So what is Article 36? Some directive principles explanation is shown in the articles. Some directive principles explanation is shown in the articles. Some directive principles explanation is shown in the articles. What are the directive principles? So what are the directive principles are there in the explanation shown in the articles? So you need to concentrate about the directive principles. So that should be given to the any person. That should be talked by the any person. That should be explained by the any person. You need to look into the more elaborately what is there in the articles. That should be given by the principles. That is called Article 36. So next one, Article 37. What do you mean by Article 37? Citizens' right to follow directive principles or not. So if the people or citizens are following directly or not, so that is called the Article 37. So people's right to follow directive principles or not, based on the law, based on the amendments, based on the class, based on the subclasses, based on the Indian Constitution, people they are following the right or not. That is the main agenda what is there in the Article 37. If they are not following, then complaint to register to where not taken by law. So if they are not following, This is not a complaint to register to where not taken by law. They have to follow. If they are not following, you can give the complaint to registers, and you can give even complaint to higher authorities, and you can give complaints to any type of higher authorities. Then they will solve the problem according to their problem. That is called the Article 37. Article 39. Government Government should take government should take measure on reducing the gender gap in wages, caring of children's, abolishment for forcement work with less money. So that is the main part given by the Article 37. Government should take measure on reducing the gender gap in wages. So what type of wages are there? What type of caring of children's? And what type of abolishment for forcement work with less money? So if they are working with less money, so wages are caring of children in the pregnant women's, and abolishment for forcement work with less money. That is called Article 37. You need to solve the problem according to their problem. So based on the working women's abolishment for forcement of work with less money, you need to solve the problem. You need to solve the problem according to their problems. So that is the Article 39. Next, Article 39A. Government should give free legal services to people. Government should give free legal service to the peoples. Any type of the government, either state government or central government, should give free legal service to the people. So that is the main agenda what is there in the Article 39A. Government should give free legal service to the people. Any type of law can be implemented by the free legal service of the candidate. So that is the main agenda what is there in the Article 39A. So free legal service to the people. Any court or any case, either criminal or civil, the government should give the free legal service to the people. Any type of the people, you need to give the free legal service to the candidate. That is the Article 39A. So based on that, you need to solve the problem. Based on that, you need to rectify the problem. If the person is not having that much economical resources for judicial part, you need to give the different types of parts, and you need to give the different types of aspects that should be there in the any type of the constitution. So that is called the Article 39A. Article 40. Government should establish autonomous body and local bodies, municipalities for servicing peoples. Article 40 will give you the government should establish autonomous body and local bodies. So what do you mean by autonomous? All the information is there in the particular employee or employer. So you need to work into a particular autonomous body, and you need to work into different locations. That is not possible. If you need to work into a particular organization, that is called autonomous organization. Municipalities for servicing peoples. So you need to give the municipalities for servicing peoples. So that is called the Article 40. Government should establish autonomous body and local bodies, municipalities for servicing people. Either municipality or corporation or chairman or whatever it may be the government organizations, autonomous organization for servicing the people, you need to follow the jurisdiction. Article 41. Government should give money support to diseased people. If the people is unhealthy, if the people is illness, you need to cure the problem. You need to rectify the problem. Government should give money support to diseased people, handicapped people, unemployment people, diseased people, handicapped people, unemployment people. So that is called Article 41. Next one, Article 42. Ladies should be treated with leave and money at the time of pregnancy. So that is called the Article 42. Next, Article 43A. Government should help employee hands to join the administration of the employers. That is called the Article 43A. So these are the different types of articles are there in the Indian Constitution. So we will discuss later. Thank you. Thank you one and all.